at CVS. Not a great week at CVS, but we're ready to go inside and share with you guys some deals. So let's go inside and have some fun. If you guys don't know this already, the CVS Easter and some of their other items are on clearance for 90% off. These Peeps are ringing up 55 cents each. My mom absolutely loves Peeps. We have this Baby Shark dress up and Paw Patrol dress up. These are ringing up 30 cents. We have this Data Fast Hits. This is ringing up $2.99. I got this book. This was ringing up 59 cents. We have this little grab and go packs. Those I think were 18 cents each, or 19 cents each, 20 cents each. We got that. This is a cool find. We have a Candyland blanket game. This was $29.99. It is ringing up $2.99. We also have, that's it for this, and then this doll is ringing up $1.30, which is a great deal. The Axe deodorant is on sale for buy one get one 50% off. So my store only has 3 of the sprays, so I'm gonna get 2 sprays for $5.99 and 2 of these stick deodorants for $8.99. I'm gonna use 2 of these buy one get one free coupons. So one of them the cashier will take $5.99 off, and the other one it'll take up to $8, so take $8 off. And then I have a 4 off of 10 CRT that I will be using for the Axe deodorant. You'll pay $4.47, but then you get a $5 extra care buck when you purchase 3 of them. Comes out to be a 52-cent moneymaker. But I'm going to add on to this deal, and I'm going to do the speed stick deal, which is 2 for $6. And then I'm also going to stack on the 3 off of 15 because I'm getting $25 worth of deodorant. So I'll be using that, the 2 CRTs and those 2 coupons. I'll pay $7.47. But I will get $3 back for the speed stick and $5 back for the Axe. That comes out to be all 6 items, a 53-cent moneymaker. I also forgot to mention that there is a $1 rebate with the Axe deal, so I actually got $4 back for buying 4 of the Axe deodorants. And then there also is, you get 500 points for every stick deodorant that I bought, so I got 1,000 points from Fetch Rewards, so I got $1 back. So my haul ends up becoming a $5.53 moneymaker for 6 things of deodorant. Hi everybody, welcome back to my CVS haul. Yeah, it is short, you guys. I'm gonna tell you that. It is short. Number 1, there's not a lot of great deals. Number 2, I didn't have a lot of CRTs. And number 3, I am completely busy today. Number 1, it is Mother's Day. I have family coming and we are celebrating my daughter's 3rd birthday party. So I am completely swamped. A lot of stuff just wasn't working out in my favor. It kind of sucks when my store doesn't have everything labeled because I have to keep walking back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So didn't get a lot of stuff, but I did get a awesome moneymaker deal on some deodorant, and then I'll show you with you guys what I got on the 90, or actually I'll just show you the 90% off stuff right now. So I ended up getting a bunch of the Peeps. These were just marked down for 55 cents. I texted my mom, I'm like, what do you want? She's like, give me like 6 of them. And they don't expire till 2023. So we still got plenty of time, and I kind of like them when they're a little bit hard, but for 55 cents, that is the way to go. I ended up getting this little baby elephant big idea book. My daughter's into books, and I thought this would be a cute little book. We're having her birthday party today. So this was $5.99, and I got it for just 59 cents. Can't go wrong with a book for 59 cents. So I got her that. And then I'm also going to give her these. These are these little grab and pack and play things. I thought these would be perfect for like when we go on road trips and stuff. I might just give her the Hello Kitty one today or just hold on to it. But I like how there's crayons in here, there's stickers and coloring. So this is perfect for our little road trips we go on this summer. I can give those to her. These were 20 cents. 20 cents for those. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. I was walking and I was parking and I saw a girl had 2 cartloads full of stuff in her cart. I'm like, man, she probably took everything of the 90% off. And then I get in there and there's still a ton left. But I'm happy with what I got. I was eyeing this up last week and then I'm like, no, I don't want it. And then I'm like, let's get it. So this doll right here, I don't know how much the price was for it. Maybe $13.99. I don't remember. But I got it for $1.30. I'm like, it's kind of a creepy doll, and but I like its outfit. I'm like, for $1.30. And my daughter's been begging for me to open it for her since I got home. So I'm like, let's just open it for her. So I ended up getting that. And then I saw this. This was unmarked, but I just started scanning stuff. This is a blanket of Candyland, you guys. A Candyland blanket. This was $29.99 and I got it for $2.99. I thought this is great. My kids love playing Candyland, or Ben does, and I'm like, why not get this? For $2.99, I got that for us to have when we have a family game night, whenever we have that. And then I got a couple more things. We're going to a birthday party next week, and the boy that we're going to loves Paw Patrol, so I ended up getting these little sticker things. These were 30 cents on clearance, so I got those. And then I got my son like this knockoff Game Boy. It says there's 300 games in here, but it's like a little knockoff Game Boy. But for $2.99, we will take it. I don't even know what kind of games there are in here. Bad Dudes. We gotta play Bad Dudes. We gotta play Burger Time. There is a, yeah. This is perfect for $2.99. You can't go wrong with that. And that was everything that I got for 90% off. That was crazy. Yeah, so I paid like 18 bucks for all that stuff. $18, and I was pretty happy with everything. So what I ended up getting was just deodorant. I wasn't going to get like CoverGirl, but I hardly had anything. And I'm just not feeling it, you guys. I was just not feeling couponing today at CVS. I had another okay, it's laid out. So what I did is I got 2 of the stick deodorants for $5.99, or the $8.99, and then I got the sprays for $5.99. Now I did use, these were buy one get one 50% off, and I did use two buy one get one free coupons. She actually took $8 off for both of them. So she took $8 off because the store will get replenished for that. But I also had a 3 off of 15 deodorant CRT, and then I also had a 4 off of 10 CRT. So, or Axe CRT. So I ended up using the 4 off of 10 Axe CRT. If you guys do that, I factored them taking $5.99 and $8 off. You would pay $4.47, but then you get a $5 extra care buck, making it 52 cents. But since she took the full $8 off, this ended up becoming like a $2 or $3.52 moneymaker. But you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 for each one. So I got $4 back with Ibotta, and then I bought 2 of the stick deodorants. So I got Fetch Rewards, gave me 500 points, so I got an extra $1 back. So this ends up becoming like a $7 whatever money maker. But I ended up combining it with these 2. These were 2 for $6, and then I had that 3 off of 15. So we're buying these 4. I could stack that on because I was spending $25 worth of deodorant. So I ended up getting this. So these are just 2 for $6. You'd pay $6, but then you get $3 back, making them $1.50. But I ended up getting all 4 of these. They came out to be, it came out to be like 28 or something, whatever. But I used the 2 buy one get one free coupons. And then I used all that stuff. But anyways, my price that I had to pay for everything came to be $4 or 46 cents. I just paid $5 worth of extra care bucks to pay for everything. But I did receive $8 back. I did receive $4 back with Ibotta. And I did receive $1 back with Fetch Rewards. So my grand total for all 6 deodorants came to be a $7.54 moneymaker. So I made a profit, and I was pretty excited with everything that I got. So yeah, that was everything that I just got at CVS. I was just more excited for the 90% off stuff, and that kind of spent my time instead of me couponing. But like I said, my store wasn't tagged, and it was just crazy busy because all the guys are getting their Mother's Day stuff, so that's okay. I'm happy with what I got, especially with the 90% off stuff. But next week will be a whole lot better, and I'll be not so rushed and all that fun stuff. But make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.